Hey guys, this is just a quick tutorial on how to type in superscripts and subscripts using Google Docs, and I'm going to show Cami as well. So let's say you want to type out the formula for water, so H2O. So how you get that subscript, there's multiple ways that you can go about it. So you type in your H, and now we need a subscript too. So this is what everybody can do is you can go insert, or excuse me, not insert, but format. You're going to go to text and then select subscript. And so that will give you subscript 2. But the issue is now you're in subscript mode. So if you continue to type, everything from here on out will be a subscript. So to get it back out of that mode, you're going to go back to format, text, and click subscript to turn it back off. And then you can type in your O. Another way to do it, it just depends on the type of device that you're on. So right now I'm on a Windows PC. So if I wanted to do the water thing again, but not do the format font, you would hit the control key. You have 2 control keys on your computer on a normal standard keyboard in the bottom kind of left and bottom right before you get to the number and arrow keys. And so you would hit control, comma. And when you hit control, comma, you have to hit those simultaneously. And then when you want to shut it back off, you hit control, comma again, and O. I believe on a Chromebook keyboard, instead of control, it might be command. Let me grab my computer real quick out of this drawer and take a look. And so again, this is if you're on any kind of Chromebook, it has a control key. So it will be the same thing for that. And then if you're working from a Mac, it should be the command key, I believe is what I was using on my MacBook when I was working at home, is the command key and command comma. So the other thing then is superscripts. So same thing, if you wanted to do that hydrogen is a +1 charge, you could go format, text, and then go superscript, type in your +1, but again, just like with subscripts, you're locked in. So you can go format, text, superscript, and that will shut it off. And then you're back to typing in the normal standard point. So again, you can use that control or command shortcut. So you would hit control and then you'll hit the period sign, and that will put you in exponent mode. And then if you hit control period, it takes you out of that and puts you into the correct mode again. So that's how you work with Google Docs. Some of you are working with Cami, and so in Cami, what you can do is when you do text and you go to type in a text box, and we want to do water, so here's H. Now you'll notice this one is, I don't believe there's a shortcut key with Cami, but it's really easy to get to, is you just have to click this little X sub 2, and you can type your subscript 2. Just like Docs, you're locked into subscript mode, so you need to click that to turn it back off, and then you're back to typing your O. So that's how you can put in subscripts. And then up here, if you want to put oxygen's charge for some reason is a -2, you have your exponent or superscript feature right next to it. So hopefully this helped keep track of how you can put in subscripts and exponents with chemical naming.